Are mice and rats turning your home into theirs? In this video, I'm sharing two incredibly effective and natural ways to send those pesky rodents packing without harmful poisons or messy traps. Stick around because the second method is a game changer and you won't want to miss it. But first, let's tackle an important step: eliminating their food supply. Did you know that throwing food down the toilet or leaving pet food on the floor is like setting up a buffet for rodents? They'll overcome any fear when hunger calls, so clearing out garbage and leftover food in your yard or house is the first move. Once you've done that, it's time for our DIY solutions. Start with a simple, potent recipe. Take an onion, clean it, and cut it in half. Use one half now and save the other for later. Toss the onion into a blender, add a couple of garlic cloves and a bit of water, then blend it all together until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and add 300 milliliters of vinegar. Then sprinkle in half a spoonful of hot red pepper or black pepper and mix everything thoroughly. Let this powerful concoction sit for a couple of hours to maximize its potency. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth, but don't toss out the leftover pulp. It's just as useful. This blend works wonders because its ingredients are like kryptonite to rodents. The strong smell of vinegar disinfects surfaces contaminated by rodents, removing bacteria, unpleasant odors, and their tracks. The peppers irritate their sensitive noses, while the onion and garlic double down on making the area unbearable for them. Spray this repellent around rodent entry points, in the yard, or anywhere you suspect they're hiding or passing through. It works fast, forcing them to abandon the area. For an alternative approach, grab that other half of the onion, cut it into small pieces, and wrap it in foil. Add garlic or the leftover unstrained mixture from earlier. Roll the foil into small balls or shapes and place them in rodent hiding spots. The foil annoys them with its sound and texture, while the onion and garlic drive them further away. With food gone and these deterrents in place, your home will soon be rodent-free. Avoid using poisons if you can. While they work, they leave rodents dying in hidden places, creating unpleasant smells for days. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends and family who might be dealing with the same issue. Let's help everyone enjoy a rodent-free home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda.